a little bit. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that sizzling. So those are for my son. He was the one who wanted them yesterday while we were out, and unfortunately we came back very late. We were busy with the cows and I was so tired. I decided to not do anything, so I decided, okay, I'll cook them early tomorrow morning, and here we are. Look at that. Okay, I was literally going to allow them to cool down before. Yeah. I have them for dinner today. This is my meal for today. I hope they're very clear. Like in my native language, we call it doto. Look at it. Look. It's obviously gonna be delicious. So today I'm obviously gonna be showing you guys how to prepare grasshoppers quick and easy. So the first step that we're gonna do is just wash our grasshoppers. As you can see, I have removed the wings and the tiny legs. Yes, baby. Yes. Yes. Obviously in my native language we call it doto. Look at it. Look. It's obviously gonna be delicious. Here they are. This is how they look. Like I said, quick and easy. It's gonna be a quick and easy process. So what you're gonna need is your saucepan. I got mine here already, so I'm just gonna put it here. Oh, let me just do a quick double. Okay. So I'm obviously gonna pour in some bit of water. This is a quick process. You don't need to put in a lot of water. And since my grasshoppers are already washed, what's gonna happen now is I'm just gonna put them here inside the pan. It's a quick and easy process. You don't even need a lot of ingredients. You just need your grasshoppers, literally. So let's wait for our babies to cook. Just that there's a bit of wind, so the water is gonna take time to boil. But as you can see, they are cooking. The next ingredient that you're gonna need is salt. You're gonna need salt, but just a pinch of it. You're gonna need a pinch of salt, just a pinch. But you know, Africans, I am going to pour my salt until my ancestors whispers in my ears that it's enough. So yeah, I poured the salt, and now my grasshoppers are starting to look like they're cooking. Look at them. Look at that sizzling. Oh, guys. So the next ingredient that you're gonna need is obviously your oil. I'm just gonna pour in the oil before the water runs out, and stay a little bit. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that sizzling. So those are for my son. He was the one who wanted them yesterday while we were out, And unfortunately we came back very late. We were busy with the cows and I was so tired. I decided to not do anything. So I decided, okay, I'll cook them early tomorrow morning. And here we are. Look at that. So I am going to cook them until they're very crunchy. They are starting to smell really nice. So putting in some oil again. I think this is enough. Like I said, it's quick and easy. You don't have to overcook this. You see that is the start of the summer season and the grass are coming in. As time progresses, I'm sure we will get a lot of grasshoppers. I grew up eating grasshoppers. I used to love them a lot. And then I grew out of them for like 5 years. I think now they are fine. Let me go and take my dish where I'm going to put them. You can see they are obviously crunchy. They're gonna be delicious. So that's my son there. I think he's waiting to eat. Hello, Julia. Ibanware. Nondoro lanze. Ndola. Sabukuma. No. Nuyengola. Okay. Nimononswa. I was literally going to allow them to cool down before. Yeah. See? So supporting him out. He's gonna force until he's able to get it. So let me move this up. So obviously I was gonna film myself eating this, but it seems like my son was beating me to it.